Alright guys, I think we do our best at promising you guys the absolute premier properties of Western Michigan, but I have a spectacular opportunity for you guys today, and I can't emphasize that enough. We're in Branch, Michigan, just east of Ludington, on a 60 plus minus acre parcel that has every feature that you can dream of. To start, it's got 1,200 feet of Cartier Lake frontage, which is a private lake, all sports lake, and it's 30 feet deep at its deepest point. Fishing wise, you have tons of opportunities with a plethora of species of fish. Moving over from the property itself to the infrastructure put in place that will help you enjoy this property to its fullest extent, you have a beautiful road coming back from North Taylor Road all the way to your cabin, private road leading you to serenity. You've got a cabin, 1 bed, 1 bath with a huge family room, enough room to host anybody that you'd want. And you've got a 2-stall pole barn with electric, poured concrete floors, and heating. I'm done yapping at you about all the features and opportunities that this property has to offer. I'm gonna let the video tell the story, and we'll catch you on the flip side. You guys enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, make sure to get a hold of me. We'll get you out here for a private showing. If you like this opportunity, you don't want to miss another one like it in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to have a great day.